Math, 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 math.
Alright guys, so it says find the equation of the line passing through A, which is -4, -5, and B, -6, -2. So we would graph it by going, alright, -4, -9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and -6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, -2. So we have our points. The problem is we can't see where this line passes through our y-axis. So we have to use our rule. So we know that we're going to have to do y is equal to ax plus b. And now we know that a is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Alright, so now let's pick our coordinates. So let's make -2 our y2. And if we make -2 our y2, that means -6 has to be our x2. Now we're subtracting, minus. So if this is our y2, then -9 has to be our y1. And if this is our y1, that means -4 has to be our x1. So negative and a negative make a positive. -2 plus 9 is going to give us 7 over -6 plus 4 is going to give us -2. Now we said we always write our negative with the numerator, so right now a is equal to -7 over 2. Okay? So in our equation right now, we have y is equal to -7 over 2x plus b. So this is what we have right now. So we need to figure out though where this passes through the line. So all we have to do is take two coordinates and plug them in. So if I erase my y and I erase my x and I replace them with what I have here, right here. So let's say y will be -2 and x will be times -6. I can start going through this whole thing. So the first thing I'm going to have to do is -7 over 2. So I'm going to do that right now. So -7 over 2 times -6. So -7 over 2 times -6. And that's going to give me, negative give me a positive 21 plus b. So here we have our coordinates so far. Now, if I want to solve this, I need to get my 21 over to this side. So I'm going to subtract 21 on both sides. Now I have b is equal to -23. And now I can plug in the rest of my equation. So now I have y is equal to -7 over 2x plus, well, not plus actually in this case, just minus, because it's -23. That's our rule. That's it. We solved it algebraically and we used our equation. So in this one, we have find the equation of the following table of values. So we can save ourselves some time. So we know that this is our equation. So we pick our y2, which could be either one. So let's just say it's 14. And if that's our y2, then that automatically means that -10 is our x2. Minus, if we picked 14 as our y2, then 13 has to be our y1, and -5 has to be our x1. So we solve. 14 minus 13 is going to give us 1, -10, negative is a positive, so we have -5. And we always said that we put the negative with the numerator, so we can just erase that. So we have -1/5 x. So right now we know our rule is y equals -1 over 5 x plus b. Again, same thing, we substitute. We have our y, we have our x, so I'll pick 13 and -5. get rid of our y, write in 13. We have our negative 5, so 1 over 5 times negative 5. And then we solve. I'm going to get my calculator real quick. So we do, so we're going to do negative 1 over 5, so negative 1 over 5 times negative 5, which is going to give us 10, because a negative and negative make a positive, so we have 13 equals 10 plus b. We need to bring all our numbers over, so we subtract 10 on both sides, cross it out, b ends up being equal to 3, and our rule becomes y is equal to negative 1 over 5 plus 3. All this is it boils down to practice. We could have taken either y as our coordinate, and one of the things I want you guys to remember is if you see your number as a fraction, you can always turn it into a decimal. So negative 1 over 5 can also be negative 0.2. So I hope this helps you guys out. That's it. Make sure to check your work, and I'll see you guys in class. Take care.